Welcome home to 139 Robin Lynn Hills. This brand new home has an open floor plan, quiet neighborhood and a great location. There is also still time to add your own finishing touches. The great room offers a large living area and a fireplace. This spacious kitchen has granite counters and plenty of cabinet space. Here is a view of the dining area. It has a door leading to the covered deck. Enjoy dinner outside on the covered back deck. Here is another view of the deck showing the private backyard. The large master has a double tray ceiling. There is a double vanity in the master bath as well as a garden tub. And a separate shower. There is a split staircase leading up to additional bedrooms. There are 2 additional spacious bedrooms upstairs. Each of the rooms have plenty of natural light. This full hall bath is shared by secondary bedrooms. The large bonus room is located above the garage and offers plenty of additional living space. Here is a view of the back of the house and covered deck. You will have plenty of privacy on this almost 1/2 acre lot with a mature tree line in back. This is a brand new home waiting for its first owners. Call or email me for more information.